Hello, and welcome to another episode of Noah's Feed Review. The other day, I was looking in the comments in one of my last videos, and two or three people said I should eat healthier. First of all, I think that's overrated. I should be able to eat whatever I want, but just so you guys could say I have a healthy, I'ma try a Nature Valley sweet and salty nut granola bar peanut flavor. So, in case you all health freaks out there were wondering, it says 170 calories. So, let's just eat it. Get this over with. So that's the bar right there. As you can see, peanuts or something on front, peanut butter bottom, and let's try it. So, honestly, I would much rather have a Snickers or a Quick bar, but for it to be healthy or whatever, it's not terrible. But I will never eat one again. But if you guys like healthy stuff, try that. Until next time, this has been another Noah's Feed Review. See you guys next time.